How to dropship on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So we will not be doing it exactly on Temu, as Temu bans your account as soon as they find out that you are doing dropshipping from their platform. So the guidelines are quite strict and strong. So what we will be doing instead is just using AliExpress and connect AliExpress to our Shopify store, and the extension that is required is AliExpress search by image. So what this extension will do is that it will be added on your Chrome browser on your desktop, and after that you can simply search for every product that you find on Temu, also on AliExpress. So this way you would be able to compare the prices and all the other details, and you will find exactly the same product which is available on Temu. But the quality of pictures on Temu is quite better as compared to AliExpress. So we will use an image downloader, which is also an extension. You can easily find it on Google Chrome browser. After that, just download the images from Temu and replace them with the images in your Shopify store for AliExpress. And this way you would be able to dropship using Temu without breaking any guidelines at all. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.